Wait. Hello. I am Mrs. Conyan Talanya Magnayo Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conyan Talanya Magnayo Quezon the First. What my camera video will I say is about year 2015, me about myself and Alex ang Gementisa Jr. ko love life. Also named as Manuel Quezon the First. Alex ang Gementisa Jr. ko on Facebook. The name of him is Alex ang Gementisa. But the first full name that he say on myself during year 2008 first year high school due to myself is his seatmate is Manuel Quezon the First. On Manuel Quezon the First, the middle name of Alex Jr. ko is Corazon. And then, during year 2009 or 2008, year 2008, 2008 that is, year 2008, year 2009, year 2009, me and Alex Jr. ko get married. And I not want to talk it yet. Why? Because of I want to focus on what I am saying specifically on year 2015. So my year 2015, I am college degree. Accountancy is my course at Asia Pacific College, private school. Then, my feelings. During year 2015, my right forehead such as collapse. And then my left forehead it is tendency being released, of which is the first being released is my feeling, then talking. So year 2015, February 26, 2015, I tend to message Alex ang Gementisa Jr. ko, happy birthday. During that moment, I say on my other camera video, I cite Alex Jr. ko abs. And then, aganda color, brown color. And then, at the year 2015 as well, may start of imagination during college. My imagination is about, but I imagine it. Year 2015, at home, I start to listen music, instrumental. I download it. I download it. I download it year 2012. Instrumental music such as Mozart, and then Kenny Rogers, those instrumental music. That is my year that I downloaded from YouTube to USB. Kenny Rogers, Mozart, not yet Mozart, Kenny Rogers, and then old music. Then during year 2014, uh, not yet. Year 2015 it is. The introduction, it is being returned on myself. The reading books, English, but that reading book, English, is fiction, fiction book of those college friend of myself. Cafeteria is what is the name of the group of myself on college degree, and then it turns onto girlfriends. It is depends on the it is on the mood of Atike Motol, my friend, but on myself it is cafeteria friend. And then next is I am girlfriend of Alex Junior ko, girlfriend wife lover since high school. Then the next is uh, my college friends, cafeteria friends introduce Running Man, year 2015. Running Man, and then I watch it via cell phone. And then the website is, this is how I explain because of I am as well thinking while I talk. It is impromptu. And then it is the website is kissasian.com. I like it. Kissasian.com. That is the website that I watch drama. Then the next is the third is manga book. Manga book is being introduced onto myself of Janine Lavandero, my college friend. And then that is new to me, manga book. It is my first encounter Japanese manga book. And then I browse on it. When I browse it, Manga Zone, APK, there, when I browse it, I suddenly sight Detective Conan on the right corner. I not know Detective Conan during year 2015. During my grade 6, I received a photo of girl and boy, Shinichi Kudo and Ran during grade 6, year 2007. I feel cry at the moment, sadness. And then I will focus on year 2015. That is what I say a while ago, being give I received a photo of Shinichi Kudo and Ran of Ate Melissa Salonga that I not know yet. I not know yet during year 2007 about Shinichi Kudo and Ran Mori. The name of them, I not know. I just cite the face of them. So I will now talk about year 2015. Never next ko. So year 2015 of myself, I I click Detective Conan when I sighted uh, on right side of the manga zone that IPK. And then after that, when I when I sight it, it is when I sight it, it is animation. This is my memory. I am Connie on. And then Lover Collects ko. animation it is. Then I search for manga book, Detective Conan. Non, oh, Detective Conan manga book. I search it. Then the next is the second that I click is Futari Echi. That is a good as well. So I will uh, talk about that is the three being says of my friend recommendation when it comes onto reading material, reading books, reading reading materials, reading books. So at the moment I am talking, they tend to destroy it. And then now I will slap my ear because it is so hurtful. And then myself tends to feel hurt. They hurting me. I am talking about my love life. Those person outside the house, oh baby girl, I not want that person. Bullying. That person is as well dead. Casket. So I will talk now about year 2015. My God, they interfere. This is how they interferes on my love life. So on my love life, I tend to message Alex Jr. ko. My feeling is happy because I feel release. It starts during I sight him wearing cloth that has name navy and then brown skin color abs. There is that is the moment that myself being released. But the others this person in here, right eye, right forehead, tends to imagine Bobby of Icon, and then imagine it is Bobby Icon, and then the next of it is drama, and then abs, color white. What I could feel is it is such as they is guarding. I not know guard. I not know the word is guards. I not know they is observant. Feel nervous the moment. I not hurt other person. Now I will continue now on talking. At home, my self-description is when I listen to Mozart instrumental, I tend to imagine based on what I watch a movie, such as Step Up. So it is such as myself being released, and then they such as this woman being what to call that interfere. I feel scared, nervous. So when it comes into a step up on myself, I am sleeping, my eye is closed, then imagination runs. What is me on indoor is the energetic feeling, the body movement of such as to do activity. And then the next feeling that is being shows is on my imagination is dramatic. I am not dramatic. The dramatic is about uh, sadness, cryness. It is. I'm not dramatic on my entire life. I not know what does it mean. I just cite Alex Jr. co-abs and then this is what happens. So, when Alex Jr. ko says appreciation on myself when I message him, I feel happy because that is Sunday. My parent that myself is a child will go at uh, year 2015 it is, will go at Batangas. Batangas it is. Batangas or Batangas Sunday, February 26. Sunday, February 26. Year 2015 it is. Year 2015. My parent that myself is a child is at PNR. PNR. Year 2018, myself is at home. I not go outside the house because of depression. That is why it is year 2015. So, when he when he responds to me, I feel happy. Happy and then the misses. The next feeling is that is being released is misses. Misses such as nami-miss na yung tao once myself wants to cite the person already because of the word misses. That is a feeling. uh, Next is the when it is about PNR, the next feeling that is being on my right eye is uh, diaforms. Diaforms meaning fashion, but not fashion on myself, but the cloth itself. Myself is being target. The next is hmm, when I wear clothes, only the clothes, not usually myself. That is, I think that is why this is what is being shows at the moment I talk. The reason of why myself is not such as these vibes. Ooh, parang ganon. Galaw-gaw. Galaw-gaw is energetic. Such that. May nagalit. Ayan. The next is even a while ago my body movement I could not do such as impromptu energetic. Next, what could I say more? Mm, the problem when I message him, it will suddenly could not know of what is the next body movement of myself. It is 21 minutes and 40 seconds. The right items bad word on myself. Tagalog word. When I say bad word, it is Tagalog word. Aray ko. What else? That is the love life of myself year 2015. I not know what happened. And then the next is when it comes to Alex Jr. ko, the vibes of Alex Jr. ko is galawgaw, energetic. Galawgaw is Tagalog word. In English word, energetic. Tends to do body movement. That is why myself, wait lang. Nagsasalita. I am Conian Talanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. My love life is Alexandra Gementisa Jr. ko, also named as Manuel Quezon. About my love life, when it comes to starts year 2012, myself is being understood because I am telling a question because that is what myself during college degree. My eyebrow is lifting. The person is lifting. Next na. The next is mine is mine. They is targeting my statistic and then they is killer vibes. My God. When I think it is so neat, proper. things. Miko, and I want to say such that I want to behave. I want to focus on year 2015. My right eye is telling a body movement to my left eye to slap my right eye. This one is right eye. Ayan na naman. Wants myself to slap my right eye. I need help from Mafia. Alex Jr. ko is 6 feet and 6 inch. I am 5'4". I am 5'4", 5 feet and 4 inch. Myself is armpit of Alex Jr. ko. Tall. Height. So, I na 6 feet and 6 inch currently is Alex ko. Wait, I will look if there is a person outside. So, I am 5 feet and 4 inch. Alex Jr. ko, myself to Alex Jr. ko is, I am armpit length of him. Ako lover next ko. Next is year 2015. Year 2015. What else could I say about love life of myself to Alex Jr. ko? I want to talk to Alex Sanjamentisa Jr. ko, but I could not. Of such as talking of long conversation, I could not because of I not know of what I am explaining on this camera video of myself. The word being released is truthfulness being released. On my talking this year 2025, the it is descriptive is myself. I not know when myself will talk to Alex Jr. ko on long conversation. I not know when it will happen. Wait, I will just get blood. Relax. What else? During year 2015, my studying is financial accounting 1. And then, it is so difficult. Financial accounting 1 is difficult because of the word subscribe and subscription. That is my difficultness when it comes onto financial accounting 1. My accountancy college degree, I am just on financial accounting 1. the description of my throat, there is tusok-tusok, pressing of such as needle. It is being on my neck. What else could I say about year 2015? Uh, love life of myself to Alex Jr. ko. Myself, year 2015. Wait, I will just look about my schedule. The schedule. Monday to Thursday, 3:30 to 7:30 class p.m. 1:30 to 7:30 class. And then during Tuesday and Friday, this one. Ay, dahan ka din. Tuesday and Friday, 1:30 class to 3:30 class. I have no major subject in here. Wait. Even this one, my subject. Difficult in here subject, business law, 1. That is my ninang. Nagahangkat mo. Kundak 1. Oh my God. Year 2014, year 2015. I am on Fundak 1. Oh, that is so really. Ang taon no. Ang taon so. Oh, this is myself during accountancy is me. Difficultness in studying. I explained it to Alex Jr. ko. I not know of what is inside of Alex ko. And then this is my class schedule. Second term that is. At this one. This one is the third term. Third term is year 2015. Oh, year 2015. Year 2014 is what I show. I have traumatized on color red. Oh my God. lover ni Alex. Isa only Alex ka. Ako love life ni Alex. So this is my schedule. Actually, one. This one, year 2015. Then this one is my schedule. End of my class is 12:30. The Alex Junior ko is studying at Technological University of Philippines. Nordjerlin Carino say that to myself. Oh my God. Huh? I not know of where Alex Junior ko is studying during college. I just know it to I just know it from Nordjerlin Carino, my friend, my college friend. Because of Rombawa, high school classmate of myself, and then college classmate of myself. So, the difficult subject in here is business law 1 and then economics taxation. That is the econ tax. Econ tax, not difficult. Econ tax. Business law is difficult on myself. It is recitation. The next is at this one, the second term. On the second term, what my subject only is infina, design. College term it is, and then this is my schedule. 1:30 to 3:30. And then the third term. This one is the third term. This one is already. This one is the third term. Fundak 2, and then introduction to finance, and then operation management. It is difficult in finance, and then fundamentals of accounting 2. During year 2015. Well, is there no problem on that? Now that I show that, what I could feel is they interferes from my right eye. The right eye of myself feels they interferes, and then they tends to create bullying. While myself is calm, and then saying of information about love life to Alex Junior ko. And then a while ago, when I say lover ko Alex Junior ko, the right eye tends to start of putting hurting on myself. So it is 40 minutes and 46 seconds. Oh my god. I will end my camera video. It is 41 minutes and 7 seconds. I will continue it on another camera video.